Theoneste Higaniro, chairman of Rwanda-China Alumni Organization, has said that the China proposed Belt and Road Initiative boosts infrastructure development and trade across the world through economic integration of countries.
Belts and Roads Initiative is an initiative where Chinese government, through the leadership of CPC, they are trying to have infrastructure development worldwide and inter-regions connectivity. It means that by this initiative, Chinese CPC or Chinese people, they wish that the worldwide trade made easier. Because when you have infrastructure development, when you have transportation, when you have ports and sea and airports constructed and supported through this initiative, the trade will be easier. And I wish that Rwanda, not only Rwanda, even most of African countries where we are still lagging behind in terms of infrastructure development, such as airports, such as ports, such as roads. If we cooperate with Chinese government, mostly they are giving soft loans in the infrastructure development at a very low minimum rates of interest, where we can tap from that financing and then we can get self-sustained in terms of infrastructure. So I think that CPC is leading the way and is leading world in terms of well-being of the population of the world, because this initiative will not only benefit Chinese people, will not only benefit Africans, but the entire world population.